Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy, a little pretty, a little crazy. As you can see by the caption, I did this look in about 15 minutes, little less than 15 minutes. I had a few seconds left on my, a few minutes left on my clock. Could have added some mascara, but you know, it is what it is. We got it done. This hair is from LuvMe Hair. This is the 18-inch headband wig. The curl is so pretty. If you want to see how I got this look and if you want to know about this wig, keep watching. All right, let's jump right into it. This is the box that it came in. And in the box, we got the wig and some headbands. And, you know, this wig came pretty standard. The clips were a little different on this wig. They were more at the top than on the sides. But the hair is so pretty, you guys. You'll see what I mean by the clips right now. You get one clip on the top and two right next to it, but they're not really on the sides. I wish they were a little more on the sides. And then you get the clip at the bottom. And then we got all these pretty headbands. So yeah, really versatile. But the hair is just gorgeous on this wig. All right, you guys, we're going to be doing a 15-minute makeup challenge. I'm going to set my watch for 15 minutes because this is the only timer that I have. I'm going to put it on because it keeps logging me out if I don't have it on. So yeah, 15 minutes, hair and makeup. Let's see what I can do in 15 minutes. So let's start right now. All right, I wanted to add a little disclaimer. I sped the video up just so you guys weren't actually watching like a whole 15+ minute video. Yeah, so if you guys wondering why I sped it up, I didn't want the video to be too long for you guys. So yeah, here we go. And done. Let's stop the timer. I still got 3 minutes and 36 seconds left. This was a challenge. I think I succeeded. What do you guys think? Looks a little crazy, but still wearable. Got a little cheek popping, got a little fresh face glow. Perfect for every day on the run. This hair is so gorgeous. So yeah, this hair from LuvMe Hair is really, really pretty. I think I did good. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, this is my eyelash, a little wonky, but I don't think I did too bad today. I don't think I did too bad. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is some difference. I'm a little new for my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.